How to change your display language in TradingView application. Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. If you'd like to use TradingView in a different language, you can easily change the display language from the app setting. First of all, launch open the TradingView application on your device and make sure that you're logged in. Once you're inside, go to the bottom right corner and tap on the menu button. Inside the menu option, go to the upper right section and tap on the gear icon. Now this will take you to the settings page where you need to tap on language. This will now take you to your language option for your device. So go ahead and tap on the preferred language tab and select a different language you want to change to from the list. After making a selection, you can head back to TradingView and you'll be able to change your language right away. So that's how super simple it is. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.